So vapor intrusion is a really big concern at sites like this, dry cleaner sites or other sites with solvents that are able to volatilize into air. More recently in California, there have been some changes to the guidance for vapor intrusion. What is a potential concern and what isn't. At this site, we didn't think it was happening, and the regional board wasn't originally in agreement with that assessment without further investigations. We took all that information that we already had, we put it into a model, and the model said, this is not happening at any significant level of concern. We were working with the regional board with that model. They almost accepted that idea, but then the guidance changed and they stopped relying on this certain type of model. We were able to agree with the board that by doing this limited study at these 2 or 3 locations, if nothing was happening there, if there were no vapor intrusion concerns there, then also would not be a concern. So we were able to really limit the scope of this investigation while keeping it very technically accurate and meaningful. We were able to use that data applied across the site and say, it's not happening anywhere because of that framework that we established in the beginning. Now that soil has been closed, the soil vapor potential issues have been shown to not be a concern. So vapor intrusion is not a concern. Our target now is solely groundwater impacts. Most groundwater treatment approaches, there are going to be areas of the site that aren't fully addressed by your general approach. So you're left oftentimes at these types of sites with small areas that aren't being as effectively addressed by your approach. In this case, it was more ISCO or in situ chemical oxidation. We were able to quickly, efficiently, and safely deliver that additional oxidant in those areas, and we're seeing really good cleanup results from that. Next steps are to operate this enhanced system for the next handful of years. We expect we'll be able to shut down this system in 4 to 5 years, where our concentrations will be so near our cleanup goals that we can turn the system off, move to M&A or monitor natural attenuation, continue to engage with the regional board to move into site closure.